Welcome back to a walk around and test drive video here at Coyote Classics in Green, Iowa. Today we're going to be checking out, then taking for a drive, this 1955 Chevy 210. Just a really clean car, beautiful colors. Beautiful single exhaust.
Looks like your typical vacuum wipers. I tried them, they definitely wanted to go up, but not a lot of vacuum there.
Yeah, really pretty color. I even like the original style hubcaps and painted wheels.
Yeah, this was meticulously restored by an older couple. We bought this in a package of cars, and the paint and body is beautiful. I love the color.
Yeah.
You kind of take a peek at it here, you can just see that little bit of metallic in that green. When they did it, they re-chromed the bumpers, the grill's beautiful, headlight, eyebrows, all that stuff was re-chromed. As we go underneath the hood, that is basically 100% original. You really have the original paint on the firewall, original paint on the inner fenders. Does have disc brakes on the front, brand new master cylinder, power brake boosters.
You just got the tag, which is pretty neat.
Yeah, put the new carburetor on it, runs great. It's a really nice turnkey driver. You can let it run, Dave. As Dalton was talking about, it's got the original style wheels, bias ply tires. As far as the rocker panel, lower doors, quarter panel, lower fender, all looks good. Back of the hood lines up excellent as well. Again, beautiful paint. We have that 1956 sitting over here as well. That's a 4-door 6-cylinder. They both are awesome running, driving cars, but this one's got a restored paint and interior. A little more so than that one. That's really nice, but it's original paint and interior.
And I like these 4-doors because if you're just getting into the classic car, you don't want to jump in, to the deep end with a $50,000-$60,000, Tri-5 Chevy. Then this is great.
Well, how about to get your friends in? Hop in there. Seriously, it's so much easier to get in and out.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Otherwise, you have to pull the seat ahead to try to get in and out of there. There you go. What do you think, Dave?
I like it. It's comfortable too. And sitting in here,
yeah.
I just looked at the dash for like the first time, all cleaned up. It's beautiful. Really nice car.
This is a new look for us in here.
I like it. Like you said, get in, very entry level. You got something that's clean and nice. You go buy a Chevelle for this price range, you're gonna get a real piece of shit.
Yeah.
Where this, you can get a really nice, good, clean car and not have to spend a fortune.
Exactly. And if you love the car and you decide, hey, I want more power, put a 350 in it if you want. Yeah. But a 6-cylinder, 3-speed, and look at the quality of the dash. The paint on the dash was completely restored. The interior is completely restored as well. As long as we're in here, we'll just go right to it. Dome light works. Headliner is excellent. Door panels are like brand new. Seats are excellent on it. Carpet's new. Door sills are new. I mean, thousands of dollars has been spent here.
And if you don't need me, I might just hang out.
I was going to say, are you coming out? The door handle works in there.
It's comfortable.
As far as the paint on the door jambs is beautiful as well. Like I said, door panels. I mean, how much does it cost to restore one of these inside and out like they did?
A lot more than what it's priced at.
So I like what you said about just a nice entry level. You can go to any car show and be super proud. Win a trophy probably with the quality of the restoration. And the biggest thing is your friends can go along, If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, make sure you check out the undercarriage photos. A couple little tiny little pinholes through, but for the most part, all original floors and super solid. Back bumper is excellent. Tail light lenses and tail light chrome has all been replaced. It's got the original spare. Really, look at this.
That's impressive.
Still has the original jack instruction here. Original paint on the inner quarters. Looks like they might have painted the trunk lid, but that's it. The trunk floor and stuff's all solid original. Glass looks good. Over top of the roof is excellent. Man, I like this car.
Very nice.
There's just one word for this car, and that's quality. Over top of the quarter panels is great. The side chrome, the little 210 or 150 side chrome looks nice as well.
Even how straight it is and how they got everything to line up, even with 2 doors on each side, they got them both fitting perfect.
Yeah, it's crazy, huh? Yeah, they did a nice job. They really did. I don't think it was drove a lot after the restoration was done. Like I said, we bought four cars from the same owner. A beautiful job on the interior, door handles, seats. Excited to see how this old girl drives. Back of the hood lines up nice. You can tell it's stripped to bare metal right around here. You can see the little pits right there, just under the window. Let's do it, huh? Corner of the door, all the new rubbers are new. Door jamb paint is done beautifully as well. I like the original radio doesn't work, but I like that they left it in there. Isn't it nice?
There's not many even, regular 55, 57 Chevy Bel Airs restored this nice.
No.
And that's crazy because it's not any cheaper to restore this than it is one of those.
No. All right, let's go through it, should we? Now, the wipers worked. I'm not going to use them just because they'll go up like this and they're vacuum, so that's just how they're going to be. They work very slow. Here's your fan. Works on medium. Does not work on high. It works on medium, okay? So you got defrost and stuff out of the medium. Horn works. Go ahead and shut the fan off. Here's our door lock key because the door lock didn't work, so we ordered brand new ones for it. Okay, let's put those on. Other than that, that's about all I got, D.
Yeah, I'm really impressed with it.
Temp gauge works. If you want to show that real quick. I've had it running here for a little bit. It's just under half. Gas gauge works. Little 3 on the tree. Shift's nice. Rear view mirror's nice and tight. Like I said, the inside is just gorgeous. We did pull the seat out and rebuilt the seat on the seat tracks. They had some issues, so it's just little stuff like that. It just takes time. I think we spent 5 hours on it. But we don't want the seat to rock back and forth a little bit. Looks like speedometer's gonna work. Ooh, she's got get up.
She does. So there's nothing wrong with having a little 6-cylinder in one of these. It's perfect.
Just like in that 56 we just got done driving. We had that thing 70, 80 mile an hour down the road with a 4-speed.
Yeah.
And it sounded with the split manifold, it sounded just like a V8.
Yeah.
We went through the brakes on this one as well. New master cylinders, got disc on the front. Went through the back brakes. Speedometer works. Get up here at a stop sign. Just idles beautiful. Like we mentioned before, the paint quality is beautiful on the dash. This would be a good old girl take out to the golf course tonight.
Yes,
throw the clubs in the back and go.
Yeah, it would. Perfect. That's what's kind of neat with these. It's like this is what actually probably most of the cars were back in the day. They weren't your Bel Airs. Everyone was driving something just like this around.
This is it, man. This is the family truckster. Shifts beautiful into second. Speedometer works accurately, 50 mile an hour. What's the difference really between a little 283 2-barrel and this?
Not much.
We're doing 60 mile an hour, straight down the road. Look at that. Perfect alignment. Brakes work perfect. You got power disc. That's a nice plus for somebody.
Oh, yeah.
There's a $2,000 kit. Yeah, power disc.
Very nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it wasn't working quite right. Something wasn't working quite right, so we just put a new master cylinder on it. So again, how quiet it is. I need to let the clutch out there a little faster.
Good running old car.
It is now with that new carb on it. Made a huge difference. Listen to that.
The windows go up really, really smooth.
Yeah, it's a freaking nice car. It's a 59,000 original mount car, Dalton. There's no doubt in my mind.
No, I agree with you. Good old 55. Check it out on my website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comments section, take you right to our website with all the photos and information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.